As you may know, a lot of our graphics are in PSD format, which means they're an Adobe Photoshop file that has different layers that you can manipulate. We're going to show an example of this because you do not need to use Photoshop. You can use the free Photopea editor to edit the PSD files so you can customize them the way you'd like. Now, what might happen is when you use Photopea, that you might not have some of the fonts and you may wonder how to put them in. So let's take a look. We've got this I'm not lazy, I'm in energy saving mode poster graphic. We are loading into Photopea. Photopea is free, it's web-based. You actually don't even need to make an account. You can make an account and there's different features, but you can just use it as is. So here I have loaded up the PSD file. And over here you can see the layers, and let's just click on like the word lazy. And if I was to click and go edit it, you can see it changed, which means I don't actually have that. I don't have that font on my computer, or it's also not in Photopea. So we need to be able to add it. And so what you do is you highlight the layer, you go like this, and you can see what font it is right now. So it will recognize the font. It's the Vonique 92, and you can load a font. And I happen to have a bunch here, so this looks like the regular. And all you do is upload it there, and then it says load Vonique. Do you want to use it the next time you use the editor? So we'll say okay, so that it remembers it. And now we will be able to edit this. So if I want to spell lazy differently, I can do whatever, or if I want to change the words. But that's all it takes in order to be able to have those fonts and be able to manipulate the PSD how you like, and then save it as you wish.